welcome back to Noxyb TV channel. It's another day in Minneapolis and St. And today we're gonna be showing you guys state fair, how state fair are being celebrated, are being done here in Minneapolis and St. So I na gakanye Ghana about the state fair. As you guys can see, I'm here with the girls. Where are they? You there? You guys there? So like I said, I'm with the girls here. You know, the guy is not with us today. So you guys say hello.
Hi.
You guys gonna have fun today at the state fair?
Yes.
Yeah, let's see how it goes, even though it's expensive fair, right?
Yeah, it's called expensive fair.
It is. They should change the name to expensive fair. Yeah, but we're good. So no, we're not. So sit back there, watch, enjoy all our video. And then the video, not want to support, and you get to always share and like our video and comment. You know, your liking the video makes it go a long way for other people to see the video. All right. So what do you guys say?
Thank you.
And share and like, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Share, like, subscribe, and you'll have a plate of jollof rice and fried rice.
Oh yeah, there you go. Plate of jollof rice and everything and fish. All right, no good. You got to go. Yeah. So, as you can see, we are at the state fair. Because there's a lot of car here, man. You know, people that attend this state fair, like almost all over the United States. Yeah, it's a good business. It's a good deal. Like, my goodness. If you see a multitude of people that come to this, you guys see organizing that, man. Look at these 5 days or 1 week state fair thing. It's a huge one. Yeah. Hi guys. So I'm gonna show you guys how it's going in there. Look at that. So I'm with the girls today. If we're gonna handle, I'm not rush. I buy you better place. It's gonna be a long walk today, girls. Aya kuna kata. So there's also a chance they want to come. I guess so. She want to use her stuff too.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, this is the highest ever.
Go on that. I went on one of those.
Are you sure you're gonna survive this?
I went on one of those.
You gotta survive before I never die.
Biggest sunburn out here, bro.
Oh my goodness. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your service, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I said, don't leave me. What are you talking about?
You said I'm hilarious.
Yeah, I think we can go in from here.
Bro, this is unserious.
Oh my goodness, is that bicycle garage?
Bicycle garage. Eddie, do you see a garage anywhere?
Well, he's gonna call that a garage. Chidera. Madam. Chidera, wait. Chidera is with us today.
The easiest way to get your bike snatched.
We're there with her best friend and sister. And they're happy.
Only if I don't leave my misting spray.
Okay, behind this side. Is that what you? Okay, that's good.
They make up all this sauce.
Yeah, she is.
We gotcha.
Thank you so much.
Expecting it to get out. I don't know if they get noticed or something. The flex in a little bit. You know.
Wow. That's a very tall one. It's actually a very huge state fair. Now it's done once every year, around this time every year. So yeah, you guys always want to, because it's easy to lose somebody here. Look at, see a lot of people here. Oh my goodness. Chidera, got your phone? Got your phone? No? I need you to my phone. That's the case. Man. He is a very huge one, for real. A huge state fair right here. One in town. Biggest fair ever in Minneapolis and St.
Remember when I ran up into the rain last year? Somehow everybody just put off those raincoats out of nowhere. To me, I was over here just drowning.
Foot long.
That thing would have cost a foot long money, bro. It's a bad thing.
I just zip line.
You can. I don't know. This is too hard. So many options.
So they're gonna be making millions here. Each state fair. You know, the fair entrance, adults $20, children $15, and then the senior citizen $18, and then parking.
I'm not nervous.
And then parking, we pay about 25, and then individual parking, we pay 30 bucks, some are even 40. So you can imagine how expensive this could be. And how much they're making here, even individually.
God damn, I don't think we're getting the most of tickets.
When we wind it to the price. We got our pizza though. We got our pizza.
YouTube and the radio Twitter.
The ride's not like 100 feet tall.
So you guys are the one leading. You're just going after. Let's keep going. Let's go this way. Let's go left. Sit down.
15K steps.
Let's go left and then we'll go left again.
Last year State Fair I got like over 15K steps.
15K or what?
15,000 steps.
Oh, you?
I got, yeah, last time.
You get your watch? What is it?
Steps.
I might
phone.
need
On your phone. Okay, let's see how much you're gonna get today. Today you got your own steps count.
I might need to take this off. I have shorts under. I can care less. I have shorts under this. I'm never wearing the long pants to State Fair yet.
We're gonna see how much you're gonna get then. How much step you're gonna get. Watch.
Stop running. Turn to the right. Where are you going? Right. I know, but you're walking straight.
This is the most Donald Trump thing I've ever seen before.
Yeah?
No, they say walk slides, sit walk slides. Those are all Trump.
It's getting bigger and bigger each year.
It's getting hotter and hotter each year.
They're expensive,
Well, more people, more business coming in. Oh my goodness,
You
look at
see all
that.
those children?
It's a lot of people. Man, I can't go to fair, no. There'll be millions of people.
Wait, can we sit down?
What do you want to say?
Could my butt itch?
Are you kidding me?
Yes, I think. I'm actually no, I'm not. It's on in there too.
That means you need to.
Before you walk into it, the rest of the team.
Yeah. Let's go up higher.
There's the map place. The map station. I need to find it right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I see them.
Oh yeah.
Wi-Fi.
I see them.
Yeah, just you see the map station right over here.
Man, see people.
Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
Hold on there. People saying hello, hello to my video.
Okay, guys, stop.
There is the leader. Okay.
Before you walk faster,
I'm gonna jump in.
Oh yeah. Say hello. Say hello.
hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, Puerto Rico!
Yeah,
Damn.
Puerto Rico. Hello to Puerto Rico. I'm sorry.
Why did everyone say hello? I'm sorry.
It's called State Fair, girl.
No.
you there. You know what you're gonna do? Wanna be in here? How's it going?
Good.
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
How you guys doing?
Yeah. So how's it going here? How you guys liking it?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, thank you.
It's your game, not mine.
How you doing? What's up, beautiful? Yeah. Are you a shy person? You are. What's your name?
Jaden.
Jaden. And that's your boyfriend right there, huh?
Yeah, how you
All right,
guys
see
doing?
you guys, man. See you guys.
See ya.
Yeah. Yeah. No, to the one that side is done. This is state fair. People want to be on the video. Oh, that's a big one. Oh,
I like it. I like
that's kind of cool.
it. It is cool.
We need these at Evo Fest.
Really?
Yes.
Smells pressure. Man, a lot of people here. Thousands and thousands of people. What? Oh my goodness, this is massive. Okay, don't want no. That one is coming. It's up yet. Okay, phone maybe back to me.
I'm not a small baby. I have the backpack. You can put the Stanley on the floor in the backpack. Don't put this on the floor.
Look at you go.
And they do summer or it's like a nice thing.
Oh yes.
Welcome to the Minnesota State Fair in the Wave Square.
You guys, why do you go with your phone? What? Are you kidding me? Ah, see? Don't do that again, no. Did I say that was scary?
Jennifer might have turned around and see me.
Tell them how was it? Oh my goodness, can you see? Don't do that again. You don't go with your phone.
Show him the other one. Jennifer said she wants to go on the bigger ride.
Oh my goodness, that's like okay, it is.
Jennifer said she wants to go on the bigger girl rides.
Which one?
The ones all the way down there.
Well, they're not gonna allow you because they have a certain age limit.
She went on them last time with Auntie.
We gotta go there and see the heights and everything.
No, the height is most likely over 5 feet.
Huh? Let's see. Oh yeah, hold this. Get there.
You think I'm 5 foot?
There, you there.
This is Jennifer.
Yeah, but you want that, but
I know, I'm not trying to.
yeah, hold on. What? See all kinds of food as well. There are numerous kinds of food here, numerous kinds of rides, live concert, like bands, live bands, and everything. I want to go out there over here.
You see the creek staring back at me? That's
Yeah,
something.
so stay back at them. Right? 1-1. Alright, let's go right.
That's the way to go.
I'm gonna go the other way.
If you take a right, that's not the way to go.
Oh, right here. I know. Still come back up. Let's see what's
Can we go
what's.
lunch or something?
Let's go down there.
Goodbye. What?
Thailand Junction. Falcon Road. Man, so many corns.
There's frozen grapes.
That's the roast one.
Roasted grapes.
Ew.
You guys still want to go on that big one, right?
Shaved ice, you see that?
You guys don't want to go on that one, right?
That one, I
Let's
mean,
go try
I don't
it.
want to walk all the way back there, though. Uncle, you see that shaved ice machine?
Where?
Over on your right?
Huh?
Ice cones?
Well, there's a slide there. It's a giant slide. You guys want to go on that one?
This makes my eyes so irritated.
Yeah, they're smoking some stuff.
My eyes are so irritated right now.
Are you getting excited? I need more. That's the only way I'm I'm not waiting in that line.
See?
You see the fair?
No, there's no line. See there? It's not a line. You guys don't want this one?
I did.
See there? You want-
There's a not in. Is it free?
No, let's go see. Nothing is free here.
We'll do it in a little bit.
Oh, this one is cash only. All right, let's look for another one. One that takes card. See there? Yeah. You wanna be on it? Yeah. Why not?
Because what's the point of waiting for you when you're always just behind?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's right up there. For the you guys want to drink some, right? You with the pizza? Let's buy some. You guys want to drink something?
Yes.
Who is that person right there? Chimpanzee. Oh, gorilla. See there, I want to use the restroom again.
Why don't you use the restroom?
Not of myself. Don't say that again. My boo boo.
The amount of stuff I said.
My boo boo. Let's try that one. You want to go down there?
The gates are
Let's go down there.
that one down there.
Let's find this out first.
I bet you all
Get it, man. Let's find this out first. Uh-oh. You want to shoot me with the water gun.
Uncle, because you have all drinks here.
Well, all of them cuss.
Well, I mean,
Why would there be a ticket station if you're not?
Oh my goodness.
I don't want to go in there. Have your face. Just have to be tapping on that baby.
That's a huge one.
oh my God. You always get bugs.
Okay, here's the pop here. You guys can take
Pop is $4. They have retirement payment every month or something.
They want to do it today. pop?
One soda.
You are the
Yeah, it's just like a mall.
$40 per person.
Wow. With the video, 25.
Only the cheese ball.
You can use card on this, right?
Turbo bouncy, $7.
Can you use card on it?
I don't know.
If you can use card, let's go and look for the one you can use card because it's almost over though. Let's go and see the one that can use your card.
we have to keep first. Basically the same thing we just went on, but higher.
No, I think you can use a state free card then.
No, it said she just. That's fine.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, what if you're wearing up?
Uncle, what? Can I have that stuff, please? I need to go and watch that live band.
Are they superhuman?
See, I need to go and watch that Mexican live band for like few seconds.
Can I finish it?
Why?
Wait, one more. Just
Let
one.
me share.
Shoot. I can touch that.
Have our water. This is more healthy. Let's go and dance Mexicana.
It's gonna smell like cigarettes over there, trust me.
Let's go and dance some salsa.
How did they get in with the lighter? Chaco's what? Uncle, why? Uncle, Chaco's what?
Yeah, hold on.
Cinnamon, you want to dump the ice in
Hold
the
on.
can?
Your dirty hand.
I'll hold it. This hand is clean.
And there's a garbage behind you.
Yeah, I have your crust. I like the burnt crust.
The ones that are more better.
Okay, let's get going.
Let's go over there first. I think I was gonna go play the car.
We'll go play the car.
Whatever. I'll still got money in that car. Come with me.
Thank all the way from Ecuador, la sandwich display
From Ecuador.
traditional from the Andes, from our homeland, Ecuador.
Yeah, so let's keep going. State Fair is about to be shut down. Today is the last day, and we gotta make sure we finish those cards before we go. So they just get just only an hour to shut it down for the rest of the year. It's only done once a year. You know, at this time, September. I mean, from I think from 23 to the 11th day, 1st of September. Only 1 week each year. So yeah, let's keep showing up, showing what we have here. So man, I don't know where that zip line is. We could have gone and check it out.
That?
Yeah.
It's boring.
It's boring? Okay, let's go back to the
Me,
other one.
Annabelle, and then Anita and Drama and Josephine, we went on it. It was so boring.
Cinema, I think we'll have to go.
You're still ending at 4. That's fine.
We're gonna go up the other way. We're gonna go
Are
right.
you ending at 4 or 4:30? Yeah. I am at 3.
We'll be in at 3:30, but we have to go to the bus.
So they're also exercising as well as they do this.
My legs hurt so bad right
Your
now.
legs already started hurt.
Where are you?
Your legs hurt already. Ah, I see. No, see people. See people down there. You guys go and do the other one. Okay, I think over here, you guys can play those ones.
Ones that are up in the air right now.
The big bamboo, whatever.
But they look so slow. Look for market.
Okay, I think it's over here. It's all state fair car. What happened?
Chinonso decided, because there was a sign, smaller kids on the inside, bigger kids on the outside.
Yeah?
Chinonso was on the inside and I didn't read it.
By the time we were logged in, I just seen the sign.
Oh, the same. Anyways.
Wobbly wiggly.
It was fine. Relax.
We gotta hold back.
Okay. did he go? Which one is the worst?
This one.
I saw you guys' face there. It wasn't like a human being's face.
Uncle, we need to get Martha's cookies.
I don't care
That's
about
the
that.
best part of state fair.
Mrs. Cookie. You're not cooking.
I'm not gonna lie, that could be
A small bin. It can be a small bin.
Yeah, please.
Cookie is not for
Pretty,
you.
please.
What do you got in that bag?
We got them last.
What is your name?
Chidema.
Okay, go and do it again.
Why did he say Chidema, right?
She said, all right. It says, is everyone a child of God? Why or why not? They are because God, Jesus died for our sins on the cross. Amen. Yes, Jesus redeemed us. Jesus bought us with his precious blood. So definitely, God bless you. Keep abiding in the Word of God. Keep reading the Scripture. Loving Jesus, and you be
Thank you.
the river.
Thanks. Yeah.
Wait, I want to put a rubber band on it.
No, it's okay. Keep going. You're gonna have to get permission from me.
Come on now. What?
It's not everything you see, you gotta go there.
Yeah, it was free.
You think so? So what makes you think he's a liar? Can you tell us?
About what he lies about?
Yeah.
He lies about pretty much everything, honestly.
Oh, really? Like what?
Donald Trump is a liar! DC sending the troops in when it's actually at all-time
president!
Okay. Well, let's see what people say.
Oh, I thought I
Oh my goodness, look at down there. A lot of people. my goodness. A lot of fish want to buy cookies, okay? Hey man, how much is that one?
$20.
20? Like how much do they have? 20 and what?
Ooh, this hurts.
Huh?
The cookies?
Yeah.
I don't know. They put a whole bunch in here. I
They're like 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever. Or whatever you want.
It's like probably 40, 45, close to 50 cookies.
What's the least?
It's probably like 30, 25.
Really?
The cookies?
Yeah.
Something like that. Yeah, but she just stacked mine up. It's
Man,
probably-
that's a huge. Are you gonna finish all this damn thing?
No, hell no.
Alright, man. Thanks.
Share. That's hilarious.
Shut up, bro.
Well, let's see what they have. I know there's a lot of people here. Look at what.
Show
Look
her,
at
love her.
look at what need the cookie. What are gonna buy it? What's gonna buy
Okay, you
it?
see? That's what I'm
I
talking
see
about. The cup.
one for $9. I think. Yeah, $9 per cup.
Man, these guys are making a lot of money. Look at a lot of people that want cookies.
No, Sweet Martha cookies is the best part.
They're online. There's too much line.
Let's go to this one.
Size server now open.
How could you do this?
Oh my goodness.
And then bam.
You gotta go around the other way.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Yeah, no lines that way.
Oh, the line's over there. Ay, anya cookie. Kuko na line cookie ne. Uche.
You're going to.
Uche kuna cookie. Charita cookie. Come here,
Welcome to Minnesota.
how you doing? Ah, look at you. Look at you. So beautiful. Good to see you guys. What a coincidence.
We're eating all the junks.
Well, you guys probably gonna have to eat for us. I don't know. There's so much line here.
Oh my god.
Huh? Can I get one? Nah, must have. What you talk? What about?
We took him back to university yesterday.
Oh yeah.
So
What about you? Are you done? With the study?
she came back to help
For
with
holiday.
taking her brother back to
I know
university.
she's the one that gets you to cookie, right?
Yes. Mama is not eating the cookie.
All right. Well, let's see what happened. And I don't know. Sure, you guys want to be on this line? Hey, how you doing? Yeah. Hello, what's up? You're the one serving these cookies. Man, cookie girls are alive. You know, right? So they said this is the best cookie in town, huh? It is. Is it that sugar? Well, whatever you put sugar, it's gonna taste good anyways. So you guys gonna take the little one, okay? Too much sugar in your system, not okay. Hey, you got some sugar too? It's laughing.
There's an open window right there.
Yeah. Don't worry. It's okay.
You're the money man.
Let's say I'm the money man. That's how it goes. Money man stand in front. Alright. I get a little cup one. Hey, we need a little cup one. The 9-1? Yeah. Okay.
My finger's losing
They say you guys are the best cook in town, huh? Oh yeah. Try this car to see if it works. Otherwise, I'll do it. See, I say the best cookie. Look at the prices: 9, 12, 20, 32. Okay. Yeah. Wow. I'll get it there. When we're coming. See you guys. Now what? Oh man. Thank you.
Why don't we just eat the rest? I'm not even sure. Oh, we are.
This is dessert.
That actually
Oh my.
Oh my sweet video pictures.
I think where everybody ends.
Oh, should it end?
I don't think it's gonna end.
Oh wow. Thank you so much.
What about the top? What about the top?
Hold it, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Are you a cooking master?
Where you going? It's big for your coffee.
You gotta put some in the bag.
Where are you gonna go?
The bag. It's gonna
I'll
fall
go.
off.
It's okay. I'll hold it.
It's gonna fall off to there.
Wait, where is that?
So you see these two best friends and sister? Are you kidding me? Okay. It falls off. Americans and cookie. Uno na sugar balondo. Eh? Ana cold sugar. Anyhow. The American like sugar well. You know? I'm gonna angle sugar, man, a bit of it. The other sugar and chocolate. Anything sweet. Honey. They love it. Yeah. Neka mom say I call it in name when endless. Chidera is number 1. Sugar baby. Sugar baby Dallas. Sugar. Go. It's not even good. The chocolate is like oozing. your service. Yeah. Say public radio. You wanna keep it? You wanna keep? Souvenir? This way left. So that's about going home right now. It is done for the year. What is that? Red Minnesota get together. You're welcome. There's gonna be a lot of traffic going home.
Uncle, we're gonna be in traffic.
Down. Massive parking lot. This is just a little one of it. Like this, so many places. I'll tell you how huge this state fair is. How the massive. Alright, we're gonna call it a day today again on the Detroit State Fair section. Alright, so please make sure you like this video, share it, you comment. Mostly like and commenting. So that's another way for you to support, for us to build in this channel. So thank you so much for always coming back, and Dalon Rinna. Dalon Queen says, son, if I ain't kind, I know. So, Chida, can you tell the audience bye bye?
I'm going to bye bye.
I'm going to call it. Tell them, ma. I'm going to call the audience. Bye bye.
That's my line. I'm going to bye bye.
I'm going to call it. Tell them, ma, what do you say? Kachifo. Ah, there you go. Kachifo. Huh? See you. Bye bye.